Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Aberge, the Daily Trader. It is January 21st, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Okay, so Tesla has indeed rebounded quite well. So we closed at 936.72, up $90.37. That's 10.68%, 10% in one day. It's possible to do 10% in one day on the stock market. So let's look at what we have here on the chart. Tesla was in a downward channel. I had only drawn this resistance line right here, but really this was a channel. This was a channel and we were going back and forth between these two lines, blah, 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 blah. And last Friday, we bounced quite well on 798.53. And today we are even gapping up a little bit here, and look at this big green candle and look at how it is so close to the resistance right here. So now we are at the crossroad. Is Tesla going to break this resistance, or is it going to cave down? Is it going to cave in and maybe do something else like this? Because we have been trying to break this resistance for a long time. We established it on January 4th, confirmed it, I would say January 13, and then we had our trend. And we tried to break it right here for 3 days. We tried it here, very famous try on January 26th. And now we are trying again. Are we going to succeed? I don't know. Let's just watch and see what happens. Let's go see the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour chart, so this is giving us a little bit more details. So this is where we opened today here. Went a little bit lower. We had the low at 862, but still nice strong green candle. Second hour up. Third hour, just a little bit of a sideways action, but almost no pullback. Look at this, almost no pullback here. Fourth hour, quite strong too. Fifth hour, sixth hour, then a little bit of sideways action. And seventh hour, we broke it. But now this is a pixel kind of thing. And if I move this to include all of the wicks, then we are right smack on it. But what I prefer to do, as you get to know me, is to do this double resistance right here. One that is touching the bodies of the candle and the other is touching some wicks. So basically, we are just right smack on this resistance and also right smack on this lingering resistance at 940. The stock is really positioned right there. So let's see what happens tomorrow. If we break 940.13 tomorrow, most likely we are going to start going higher, and we still have this resistance to think about here. Let me show you. We still have this downward resistance that we need to cross in order to start thinking at 1200 again. Let's look at the indicators on the 1 hour chart. So indicators on the 1 hour chart, everything's good. We have MACD super high at 90. We have MACD crossed over bullish today, and DMI has also crossed over bullish. We have RSI at 61 over 50, which is good. And DMI crossed over bullish. So very nice move here. So let's just see what happens with this resistance. On the daily chart, things have yet to turn around because we had a big move 2 days ago, and now we have the opposite move here. So the indicators are not that quick. So we still need to wait for them. But if we still break this point here, this is to me enough of a signal, because Tesla has been trading very low on Friday. I think that if we break this double resistance right here, we have good chance of continuing a little bit, or at least going sideways and then going down. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. You can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.